Hello everyone, my name is Agaba Philip and I want to welcome you to my course, Getting Started with Puppet. This course is going to give you the essential knowledge to start automating your IT infrastructure using configuration management with Puppet. In this course, we're going to start from the very beginning. I'm going to show you how to get started with Puppet open source. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include setting up your first Puppet master and agent, managing application packages, files, and services, working with variables and templates, and using Puppet modules from the Forge. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write code in Puppet DSL to solve your configuration management problems. You do not need to have any prior Linux, Puppet, or even command line experience to take advantage of this course. But you do need to have some basic IT skills. For example, you need to know how to install software on your personal computer, and you need to know what an IP address is. I certainly hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Puppet with a course, Getting Started with Puppet, right here on Pluralsight.